Hey, welcome back. This week's recipe from the farm, I'm making shell peas Tadka style. Simple to make, so very flavorful. The spices literally pop in the pan. Check it out. Alright, so we're in hyper fast pea shelling mode. Takes a little bit of time, but I find it kind of relaxing to shell peas. If you're going to your farmer's market and trying to get shell peas, the only thing I can recommend to you is you want well developed, nice and full peas, but not that the pods are still nice and green. They haven't sort of faded. Sometimes when they faded, they've gotten a little bit too mature, kind of heading closer to like a seed dried pea. So just make sure they're nice green pods and get, like, I use 2 pounds, and that would be the minimum I would use for this dish. So try to get at least 2 pounds. It's more the merrier. All right, I got my peas all shelled. Now comes the magical part. Tadka literally translates to tempering. It's a traditional Indian style of cooking where we take whole spices, drop them in hot oil to let them crisp and sizzle and pop. It releases so much flavor. It is so delicious. We're going to do that, let those spices start to fry up. Then we're going to add our peas and just saute the peas until they're done. Add a little salt and we'll be good to go. Let's get to it. So to check if my oil's hot, I swirl it around and you see it's kind of sheeting like that. Or I'll put my hand down just above it, and when I can't really keep my hand there for more than 5 seconds, it's hot. I'll add the spices and oh my goodness, listen to that. Listen to that crackle and pop. Just for about like 30 seconds or so. I'm gonna let those really start to pop, and then I'll add my peas. Oh, it sounds so good, and it smells so good as they start to toast. Alright, so we're adding in the peas here. Again, we're just going to mix it, saute it. Probably about like 5 minutes is all it takes, just so they get nice and green. Taste them. Really simple at this point. Alright, our peas are done. Let's add a little salt here. Oh, it smells so good. The toasted spices. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Wow, that is delicious. Oh my goodness. Yes. Yep. Yep. Do this one. Wow. So until next time, keep planting, keep cooking, do something good. I could eat this all day.